is everybody? This is Pearl and welcome to my channel.
Hi, welcome to her channel.
So guys, today is day 3 of Raya, and usually I would want to post about day 1 and day 2, but honestly we just decided to spend time more with family.
Day 3.
So a lot of you know that I'm a makeup artist and also I do YouTube and I do online content, but I'm also in the midst of preparing something for myself, so I have to get back into doing all my emails, sorting things out, and etc. Above all, I am a housewife as well. I mean, I don't consider myself a housewife if half of the time I'm actually out working. If at home, I'm the one cleaning along with my husband. He helps me a
Me
lot.
also lah, apa you?
I did say that. Oh my god, so sensitive. A lot of things that get sent to my house and majority of the mess, I would like to deny it, but it is because of me.
You want a chocolate?
No, I want food. So I just take you guys along with me today to see what's happening. I want to clean up my house, I want to send out email, I want to reply all my emails, I want to start planning content, and then I need to edit a video for Instagram, and we are gonna shoot a video with Vivy. We are quite excited about it because it happened spontaneously and it became a real video. So you're gonna be seeing me on Vivy's video. I'm gonna see if I can vlog a bit in her house too. What are we doing tonight for dinner, baby?
Coming.
Oh, he has to be in the video. Oh my god.
What's for dinner? We're gonna have some cat.
You, can you not holding Chica and be saying that? So yeah, if you guys don't know, Rizrin started loving the camera. He's been doing a lot of Instagram videos and stuff,
And the camera loves me.
I'm very happy he's like this because we've been dating for 3 years and married for nearly a year, and it took him that long to actually love the camera. Last time with Ashley, he was like, why are you shooting me? Stop it, stop it. Yeah. So that's it, and I'm gonna start with the first thing, which is clean the house. And this is my husband. Beep 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 beep. Beep 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 beep. So I have a lot of PR stuff that came in a few days ago. We empty it and we managed to sort out a few, which is here. And that Chica and Goku did that, baby. So it's your job to clear it up. If you think this is all, no, I still have some here, some there. A bunch here, those are in the bags are still it, and these are what I use a lot, and I still have a lot there. So I have a lot of PR kits, and I also have bought a lot of stuff, and during Raya a lot of people also gave us stuff, so I'm just trying to get today to clean this up and make it look like I stay here and I take care of my home. Oh, I also want to show you guys, I'm actually cooking right now. So this is my Thermomix. If you know, I'm also a Thermomix sales advisor. I decided to do this because a lot of you started asking me, then I was like, hey, I guess I can do this business. I'm actually in the midst of making soup. Ooh, you can see it's so pretty. And we still have 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna start cooking rice and broccoli as well. Another thing that has been going on and a lot of you have been asking me is recipes, because I've been sharing so much about my cooking, and you guys are more than kind to actually remind me, hey, it's been a while since you cook, you need to start cooking. Thank you, I am cooking. Because now I can cook during the daytime. Basically today is all getting back into the groove before Ramadan, the groove that 11 months of a year I will be doing a lot. So yeah, anyway, Selamat Hari Raya Maya Sahil Dabatin, and I hope everyone have a good Raya so far. It's only the start of 30 long days of eating and eating non-stop. I really enjoyed this year Raya because this is my first year as a newlywed. It's really fun. It's all about family bonding, it's all about like laughing together, having fun together, and also being one as a family, like just to spend quality time with each another. So yeah, I'm gonna get started cleaning and I'm gonna bring you guys along. Let's do this!
Is the food ready?
About 10 more minutes.
Shower ready?
Okay.
I smell good. I smell good.
This is lunch. So cooking super soup. This is my watercress with black chicken super soup. My broccoli with carrots, and it's my rice. We're gonna eat cause Bear need to go off soon, so we're gonna eat first.
Good job, chef. I am king. Now you sit and you feed me. Where's my grapes? Where's my grapes?
Hi guys, sorry we were in the rush to get out just now. So after everything, I started showering, clean the plate, do the laundry, and then I also did some work, which is quotation and invoices. As to cleaning the house, still have a long way to go. Bear and I are now going to Vivy's house and we are gonna shoot the video. Just to let you guys know, I actually am lactose intolerant, but I love bubble tea so much. I got into it, I think, when we start living together, and Bess ordered Koi because that was the thing that was in Grab app. And then after that I was like, ooh, and then I start like trying different brands and stuff. I always order about 70% sugar, and Vivy is always a 100% sugar person. I started drinking 100% I think last month onwards, and now I cannot go back to 70%. Just to drink no sugar. But yeah, that's what is happening. No, I need to cut down sugar. It's not good for me. But today shall be the only day where I'll go sugar overload. I'm prepared to get stuck in the toilet. I'm prepared to have a lot of gas in my stomach. I'm prepared to have headache. Milk give me headache. One thing I'm not prepared is making him suffer. We are gonna have a lot of bubble tea, and I can't wait to have a lot of bubble tea. Oh wow!
Nice something.
Oh wow! Look at that! Look at that!
First, I'll get you guys blindfolded, and then we'll do it like brand per brand. So we'll do like one brand first. All of you guys will try it at the same time, and then review it and rate it, and then guess which brand it is.
But then if I hear them say it, then I also go
I'll do like
oh yeah, okay lah, okay lah.
actually I wanted to make you guys do it at the same time, but then I'm scared I won't catch it. Like before you guys at the same time. Okay, like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So glamorous.
Alphabet you want.
I want P, cause I'm perfect. So guys, we're gonna start shooting now. You guys can watch it on Vivy's channel. So we are the bubble tea graveyard. That's it. We are done.
Why does my skin look so dark?
Because you are memang darker than me.
From all the brown sugar.
Oh god, I can't wait till Vivy posts it. I can't even talk properly because my heart is like Yep, so we are now just enjoying watching our family swim, and we shall see what we plan to do
We're here,
later.
happy in Bali.
Oh, Bali in KL.
Need to dry her bum. She's so calm.
Now, for now.
Don't wipe your face.
We are having dinner with my parents.
Halo. Selamat Hari Raya Eid Mubarak.
Just eat, eat.
Eat.
Eid Mubarak.
He's long way to learn. The first year, so can forgive. We had too many sugar. We couldn't take any more sugar. So now we're having curry, tom yum, calamari, and more curry, and limau ice kosong. That means no sugar. Do you approve, Papa?
Double good.
Yeah, we're gonna enjoy Tito YM.
Satu nasi saja. Half the town is still in kampong.
Yeah, this is the best time to be in the city.
What are you up to?
I am asking my mom to take some products.
What products? Are they good?
Yeah, they're all really good. Oh, hi. Look at that.
Papa took some already.
Yes, I took some.
Papa gave me this thing so that it can be my backdrop. I didn't even bother having a backdrop, but he made sure I have a plain backdrop. Sometimes I wonder who's the Instagrammer, who is the YouTuber. I guess my dad is a pro. He knows that I need it, but I didn't even think so far. Not bad, we managed to clear quite a few stuff. My parents gonna help me do some stuff. So these are what is left that we still need to sort it up. And Chica is just being pampered by my dad right now and walking away from my dad. No love from Chica for you.
Jane, which one is ours?
Oh, hi Coco.
我放屁给你吃。
我放进去了啦，我不理了啦。That's my mom for you. Go baby. No one have seen you today. Oh, he's so grumpy. Oh no, you're not grumpy. Handsome boy. Handsome girl. Oh, sorry. Pretty girl. Pretty.
哥哥妹妹拉了，你这样。
He's too big. He's too big. He reject. He's like, what are you doing, human? Why are you torturing me? His face is like, oh, he's going in.
No. Are you going on?
He's going in.
Ayo, why you going on?
Oh.
I just want.
Bye, Papa.
Okay, bye.
Mommy's staying here apparently.
Okay. Oh, great. Ciao. Okay, Mister.
Come.
Good night.
Okay, good.
You just said.
Wow, mommy and daddy took a lot of things and there's still a lot of things. How is that possible?
And it's clean. Dun, dun, dun. I am super proud of this. Yay. My headache is quite bad, so I'm just gonna call it a night. As long as this floor is clean, I feel much better. So if Bear tells me that his feet can absorb fur, because his feet has this skill where if he walks and there's a lot of dust and fur, it just suck it and it will stick to his feet, and then at the end of the day you will see him cleaning his feet. But if there's even a lot of fur or even a tiny bit on his leg, I'll be like, I need to vacuum, I need to clean the floor. So that's my day 3 of Raya. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's mostly about getting back into the groove. I don't really work a 9 to 5 kind of job, so by me getting back to groove is usually something really fun. Every day is different, and I'm glad to bring you guys along with me on this journey. So it's June now. It's like nearly the end of the first half of the year, and it's the month that me and Bear will always sit down and like reconsider what we want to plan for the next half, short-term, long-term goal. So we were doing that today, and I have to say that things are getting exciting. Yep, for both ourselves individually and as a couple. With that being said, I can't stand this headache anymore. I'm not even smiling as much because it's like boom, 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 boom going on in my head. Have fun and don't forget to stay safe. With that, goodbye.